overall shape. Okay, currently, untuk sekarang ni kita ada software, CAD software actually help very helpful to provide detailed image. Ada ni kita panggil apa? Isometric view. Okay, so yang kat sini yang standard view lah. Okay, this is a cylinder parts. Okay, macam ni. So straightforward. So from here, next view and then third cukup. Okay, so cukup, enough untuk fabrication. Kalau you pass this drawing to technician ataupun we want to do the fabrication process macam tahun 1 kan, sebelum ni kita ada trade lathe. So based on all this information, we can produce exactly what customer requests. Okay, right? So yang macam ni kita tengok dulu dimension, how arrangement, and then some info notes. Okay, ada semua, ada info kat sini. Yang ni simple. Okay, ada yang lagi detail, nanti kita akan check. Okay, sample drawing. Okay, yang ni we call it as a dimension and some notes. Okay, biasalah you tahu Okay, and then notes I explain just now. Ini ada some notes sebelah bawah, kiri ke kanan ke, depend on free area tu. And then sebelah kanan bawah normally title block. Okay, depends on company setting. Kalau you ada chance join the company R&D, always involved in drawing. Okay, nanti depends on company punya templates. Okay, so sample. Okay, continue. Revision block. Okay, revision also very important. Revision. We want to track anything mistake, any we need to refer back to the previous drawing. Okay, so revision information also important. Okay, yang ni tadi title block. Okay, a bit different. And then notes. Okay, simple notes. View like this. This is a view. Simple parts. Okay, only have 2 view, enough for fabrication. And then sheet. Okay, we call it as a sheet template. Nanti kalau saya sebut should be understand, dah tahu Okay, right. See, this one is another sample. Okay, this is the one before this is more to parts, single part drawing. Okay, you also will use this knowledge during your project group nanti. Okay, so this is a assembly. Just we can see directly the exploded view. Macam mana dia punya exploded kita dah touch before this assembly exploded. Okay, arrangement like this. Okay, so screw. Okay, direction is a straight direction. Okay, jangan opposite ataupun other direction. Okay, like this is very clear. So yang bahagian sini BOM, bill of material. Okay, ada block, ada table, and then column with the important info, item number, quantity, part number, part list, and description. Okay, left side board. Here is your notes. Okay, let's say customer requests a few information, and then your title block. Okay, this is a drawing. Sama macam industri. Besok you ada chance LI dekat manufacturing company, R&D. Okay, same like the like this. Okay, only please take note about the standard. Okay, some Japanese company, Europe company have different standard. Ada di standard drawing ada standard, should be follow the standard. So nanti you can apply all that information. Okay, generals, drawing rules. Okay, view, this is about view. The general characteristic of an object will determine what views are required to describe its shape. Okay, view tu penting very important. Most object can be described using 3 properly selected view. Kebiasaannya boleh by 3 view dah cukup. Sometimes you can use fewer, lebih kurang lagi daripada 3. However, sometimes more are needed. Kalau part yang very complex, of course, okay, in your paper drawing size tu penuh. Okay, you nak detail out every area for fabrication ataupun reference for your for discussion. Okay, maybe we want to share to our customer. Okay, so drawing view. Okay, what do we need three view normally? Biasanya top. Okay, take note class. For those yang tak ada knowledge, tak pernah touch about drawing. Okay, top view. Okay, top view. This one top nampak tak cursor saya? Class, can you see my cursor? Nampak tak?
Nampak sir.
Okay, so okay, this is a top view. Okay, kalau mata from here, daripada sini tengok sini, top front view. This one is front view, and then this is a right view. Okay, normally like this, macam ni, standard. And then isometric view. Okay, okay, every drawing come up with a isometric ni bagus, 3D view. Okay, so kita dah maybe kalau kita dapat drawing, we can at least maybe dalam 80% kita dah boleh understand about the whole drawing. Okay, kalau tak ada 3D ni kita kena nak digest every view tu, nak kena fikir, imagine, baru kita boleh okay, maybe like this. Okay, the front and top views of both part are identical. The right side view is necessary to show the characteristic shape. Okay, macam ni, side view penting. Kalau we don't have the right view, so we don't have this right and this isometric view. Okay, of course kita maybe akan think this is a square. Sebenarnya dia like this pyramid macam ni, like this. Okay, prisma ni. Okay, drawing view when 3 is not enough. Nombor 3 tak cukup. Okay, so kena ada extra macam ni, tambahan. So cut out the angle face. Kita potong dekat angle. Okay, view tambahan. Then okay, this is the right side view is unnecessary. Kenapa? Okay, based on these three, satu ni top view, front view and isometric, maksudnya right view ni tak perlu. Okay, tak perlu, no need. There are no any info about any shape from the right view. Okay, tak perlu. Okay, so kita berlatih tentang view. Then okay, dimension. There are two kinds of dimension. Size dimension. Size plus size. Kalau diameter, location, position. Kat mana position yang you nak? Okay, nampak macam center. Tapi some customer request a bit shift left side ataupun X direction. That's why this is very important. Macam ni contoh kelas. Location, where is the features. Okay. Macam this size dimension, kita bagi maximum size. Okay. And then diameter. Okay. Okay, one more thing class, I just directly highlight. Okay, normally kalau let's say you bagi dimension like this, okay, you boleh letak sekali terus X dengan Y in one view. Senang, saya tengok, size like this. Tak payah mata saya go through front view, saya nak tengok. Okay, depends. Directly from here, okay. Kalau tak ada any dimension dia, boleh letak dekat sini. Okay. And then this is right side, thickness, berapa thickness? Okay. Yang ini we can see the hidden line, nampak? Maksudnya this is boleh select view types nanti. Okay. Location, this is I say that position. Nak position kan a bit kat mana? Mungkin tak center kat sini. 1.1 ada point something ni. Okay. Kalau you main assume ni, okay. Be careful, kena be careful. General drawing rules, dimension for flat pieces, give the thickness dimension in the each view and all others dimension. Okay, macam ni Kalau you have a top view like this, okay, and then front bahagian depan like this. Okay, macam mana arrangement susun kena always practice Student, saya mention sebelum ni, di tahun 3, tahun 4 nanti you have of course you ada extra detail design subject. you nak produce drawing, you nak submit dalam report, kena ingat balik standard. Please always practice. Okay, check dalam internet. Okay, nanti ada banyak komplain nanti untuk tahun 3, tahun 4 kalau you tak follow step. Angle tak betul, okay, dimension arrangement tak proper. Okay, so nanti tu tak okay untuk you punya PSM, untuk LI, latihan industri. Okay, kena ingat from now, as I mention sebelum ni, latihan industri ada sometimes ada interview Okay, kalau boleh face to face memang dia ada interview, sometimes dia bagi drawing, you kena interpret. Okay, you kena interpret directly tentang drawing. Okay, general drawing rules, dimension. Dimension features in the view where they can be seen through size and shape. Okay, kalau bentuk macam ni, okay, this is a right view. Okay, kelas nampak ni, ada satu hidden line kat sini. Okay, so we understand this hole is true. Okay, thickness kita bagi kat sini, and then some shape like radius, thickness, and then width ni berapa. So this one is a position for hole, x direction. So how about y? Y yang ni. Okay, from datum. Saya sebut datum from datum. Ada important point kat situ. And then this is a 1.8 dimension kat sini, radius, okay, almost macam ni. Okay, unnecessary dimension, this and not this. Cuba try to compare. Okay, this is same shape. Okay, mungkin designer A dimension like this. Okay, dimension, this is from designer B macam ni. Okay. Okay, kita tak nak, we don't want the multiple repeated dimension. Okay, macam ni we have kan 5 maximum. You bagi position hole number 1, datum here, and then the position from this point to this hole number 2, 25. Okay, no need give this one, tak perlu. Okay, this is height, width, you can see here you give the extra dimension, actually no need, tak perlu. Okay, kalau tak nanti you punya, your drawing will very messy, penuh, crowd with the dimension. Okay, this is the height, and then this is the position from center, 7.5, 0.75. Okay, dimension guideline appearance. This is about appearance. Place dimension away from the profile lines. Okay, ni yang ni step-step allow space between individual dimension, a gap, ada mesti ada gap, arrangement ni is about the dimension arrangement, the size and style, size dimension. Actually the template is a standard, tapi you can adjust the size of your dimension size. Boleh adjust line, text, should be constant throughout the drawing. Display only the numbers or decimal, ni decimal point. Berapa titik perpuluhan require for manufacturing precision. Okay, part yang very high precision, of course dia ada tolerance, ada decimal point tu Okay, neatness count. Drawing appearance, okay, not good. Ni tengok, dia cakap not good, kenapa? Okay, tengok dimension you ada overlap dengan shape. Okay, dekat, tak ada gap. Okay, overlap ni susun tak ada jarak ni, space. Okay, this one bertingkat-tingkat ni. Okay, yang ni overlap. Okay, so yang ni kena susun elok-elok. Drawing kena buat proper. Okay, so it's much better. So arrangement like this, kamu boleh nampak The line pun clear. Arrangement one by one. Every hole must have a center line. Okay, ini semua ada markah center line dekat hole This is a standard how we give dimension and then arrangement. Okay, nampak before like this, after like this. Okay, kita biasakan tengok simple drawing dulu, arrangement macam mana. Top, front, right sini, and then isometric view sebelah kanan. What is a drawing template? A drawing template is the foundation for drawing information. You punya ni lah format tu. A drawing template specifies sheet paper size tu berapa, orientation, landscape or portrait, sheet format, border, okay, ada border line tu, title block, okay, based on company setting, title block data, forms, table such as a bill of material, any additional. Kalau assembly drawing, ada bill of material revision history. This is for audit, okay, you can track back any previous drawing record. Okay, drawing template choice in SolidWorks. Standard drawing template, okay, tutorial drawing template, custom, and no template. Okay. To create a new drawing using a document template, okay, and this is standard. Kita boleh select terus. Nanti you can see, you can preview. Yang ni standard from SolidWorks. Okay. Sample drawing template. Okay, kelas yang ni standard lah macam ni from SolidWorks punya setting standard. Okay, default ni dia akan keluar ni. Ni size apa ni? Drawing size kena take note A4, A3, apa lagi? A1 size Okay, student yang tak biasa, tak ada knowledge, okay, nanti Google sikit. Size of drawing template. Okay, ada berapa? Apa nama dia? B, A1, A2, AO. Okay. Okay, this is important. Edit sheet format. Masa bila nak buat ni? There are two modes in the drawing. Edit sheet. This is the modes you use to make detailed drawing. Okay, edit sheet format. Untuk format, okay, you want to change the title block size. Okay, dan title block ni sebelah kanan tadi kan? Ini kan? Okay, kalau you want to edit, okay, add info in this title block. So macam mana? Right click and then choose edit sheet format. Change the border, incorporated company logo. Okay, also this one, yang ni we can link kelas, link yang ni, link the name, logo ataupun logo kita dah directly setting on the template. Add standard text, okay, appears on every drawing. Maksudnya ada setting here kat sini dalam edit sheet format. Okay, title block. Kena ingat this is important information dalam title block contains vital parts and all assembly information. Each company can have a unique version of title block. Depends on company. Typical little title block information include, this is yang normal almost. Yang basic, company name, okay, part number, part name, drawing number important, revision number important, sheet number, okay, material. Ni penting, material. Tak ada material, confuse lah. Okay, kalau kita dapat, we have a job from company A, dah provide drawing tapi information material tak tahu. So kita tak boleh proceed. We need to confirm back to customer what type of material that they request for that parts. Okay, tolerance. Okay, this is a tolerance and then drawing skills. This is also important. Ni kat scale ni. Sheet size, revision block, drawn by. Ni so important and check by. Siapa check drawing? Okay, your friend checks ke dalam group nanti, kalau project group, check by your friend. To edit the title block. Macam mana nak edit? Right click and in the graphic area kat sini, cursor ni move to right click and move to this area and then right click edit format. Okay ni kelas edit sheet format. Right click, nanti kamu akan jumpa ni. You can see this one. Okay, when you have click, okay, dia akan ada blue color. Maksudnya activate. Okay, title block dah activate dah. So you can write manually lah. Okay, ada some info actually you boleh link. Link maksudnya when you save part A namanya contohnya shaft. So dia akan keluar terus shaft. Okay, macam nak buat tu, it's just simple je. Nanti you can setting during your group project, there are many parts, tak perlu key in manually satu-satu. Tapi you can link your name as save name, parts name akan appear directly to your title block. Okay, dia ada link ada link on the setting. Editing the title block. Okay, macam ni dia akan keluar ni. Okay, SolidWorks Corporation. Okay, double click the notes company name, double click the property manager and the pop-up formatting toggle keluar. Dia akan keluar macam ni. Dia akan keluar dekat notes. Okay, ada few features kat sini, boleh link ataupun apa. Okay, next, editing the title block, set the text justification. Yang ni left or right. Okay, click OK. Editing the title block, position the notes so it's center in the space. Okay, kadang-kadang dia size a big size, you kena minimize. You boleh adjust make it in the column. Okay, pastikan dalam kolom. Advanced topic. Okay, the name of the parts or assembly shown on the drawing changes with every new drawing. Okay, it is not very efficient to have to edit the sheet format and the title block each time you make a drawing. Okay, that's why yang saya katakan tadi, kalau you have a lot of parts and you want to create a single drawing every parts, okay, tak perlu key in satu-satu So link with the name. It will be nice if the title block will automatically be filled in with the name of the part or assembly that is shown on the drawing. Okay, that can be done. So the features yang setting tu. Advanced topic, okay, annotation yang ni klik, link, okay class, link the property button. Nampak simbol ni? Sini Okay, when you click, okay, click model in view, dia akan keluar ni, link property. So kat sini you click, you akan nampak, okay, file name. When you save that is shaft, so dalam title block, akan keluar shaft. Then click OK. Okay. Editing the part name, advanced topic, okay, in the property manager, set any other text properties such as justification. Okay, you boleh set yang ni lah. Okay, ni center ataupun right side. Okay, tadi yang we link, okay, dia akan jadi macam ni, ada simbol ni duit ni, simbol S ni. Okay, dot, okay, kolom ni. Okay, so dia ada link ni. Link with your part file. Okay, this is nampak biru ni ada link. Okay, kalau you delete, so link tu broken link, so dia tak ada connection with the name. Currently the title block shown text of the property. However, when the first view is heading drawing, then text will change it, become the first name. Okay. Okay, switching to the edit sheet model. Okay, macam mana nak ni balik? So right click in the graphic area and okay, must make drawing. Okay, ini right click lah. So kalau nampak biru ni, so nanti objek dalam your drawing at your drawing graphic area ni dia akan hilang So maksudnya title block activate. Okay, dalam mode title block, so you can edit. Drawing akan hilang. Okay, you return back, drawing akan ada. Okay, this is about detailing option. Okay, you nak detail out drawing. Okay, dimension standard class, standard. Dimension standard determine things such as his style and dimension. Okay, yang ni standard. Standard apa yang follow? The tutorial drawing template use the ISO standard. kita guna ISO standard. ISO standard for International Organization for Standardization. ISO is widely used in European country, European company. Okay. Okay, ada lagi dimension standard ANSI is widely used in United States. So kalau company kat Malaysia ada United States, dia akan guna dia punya standard ANSI, National Standard Institute, ataupun British BSI. Okay, macam mana British Standard and DIN. Customize ada satu JIS, Japanese JIS. Okay, macam before this, my experience Japanese company. Okay, so dia akan follow Japanese JIS standard, JIS. Okay, nanti standard class kamu note sikit. Okay, what is a standard drawing? Okay, nanti search. Just go through baca. At least that for your knowledge. Okay, because of sometimes kalau during your interview to any question about standard is very important. At least you know, okay, there are standard based on different country. Setting the dimension. Okay, dalam before this we touch about how to edit some info. Okay, you punya setting tu. Sini pun ada document properties, annotation. Okay, ni NSI from the overall drafting standard. At least you tahu kat mana kalau question based on the standard, adjust edit standard, you tahu kat mana. Okay, in your drawing template, also you can setting adjust the font size. Kat sini ada kelas. Ni. Okay, kita ada notes. Okay, kadang-kadang saya pun adjust edit because of size tu tak sesuai dengan you punya image, your punya object dalam drawing. So we can edit. Okay, next. Okay, ni size. Okay, size. Height, you boleh change kat sini kelas. Boleh tukar size tu. Make it a bit small. Okay, right. So, okay. When we talk about template, okay, let's say you have your own, saya nak guna saya punya special template. Okay, you dah create, you dah make it setting. You need to save as drw dot. So, nanti when you open drawing, you can call it. Boleh panggil drawing your drawing template. Dia ada beberapa There are few template format ni. Macam this case, drw dot. Okay. So you boleh call and then you use your template. Okay, you boleh buat kelas ni. Okay, so nanti every time just call this template. Saving custom drawing template. Tadi I mentioned drw dot. Okay. Dia bukan SS SolidWorks dia ada special untuk template. Dia bukan you not save as a normal drawing. This is about template. Creating a drawing, general procedure. Okay, ni biasa, normal Open the part, you dah create, you have a produce your part, you dah have a 3D part, or you have an assembly part. Okay, and then you open a new drawing. Okay, add a view. Okay, usually 3 standard. Biasanya 3 ni. View such as a detail, others is a plus with the detail view and others. Okay. Section. Okay. Insert the dimension. Okay. Next step is give a dimension on your parts. Okay. Make sure with the proper set arrangement and arrange the dimension on the drawing. Okay, cara nak bagi drawing ni kena perlu skill. Okay, maksudnya you kena always selalu tengok contoh drawing so you know cara arrangement tu and always ask. Okay, sentiasa tanya soalan. Okay, ni dah bagi dimension, ada. How about the position? Ada. X direction, Y direction. Okay, maximum size, kena selalu tanya. Always ask question. Add additional sheet. Okay, boleh tambah sheet 2, 3, 4. To create 3 standard, macam mana? Mungkin you dah try before this exercise sebelum ni dalam tutorial. Okay, tapi basic macam ni Okay, from top, front and right. Okay, so additional is your isometric view. Class, okay or not? Boleh tak? Ya, okay. Tengok. Right. So yang ni this to select view. Okay, yang ini okay, baca nanti. Okay, saya explain direct pada page. Okay, this one is hidden line and tangent edges display. Yang ni take note class Okay, sini pun ada markah. Okay, try to compare with this one to this one. Okay. When you have this line, contoh class, kalau you dah produce drawing with the hidden line, so saya tahu this is a true hole and then dia ada apa ni? Ni shell. Oh, so maksudnya dia bukan solid. So nampak ada thickness kat sini. And then ada hole kat sini pula. Okay, kalau let's say you give this drawing to fabricator, okay, nanti dia akan confuse. Oh, ada step lah dekat sini. Kalau kita buat late kan kelas, nampak ada drawing, ada line. Oh, dia ada step ni. Berapa step ni? Okay, sometimes dia akan keluar ni. Tapi kalau dia tangent, which is continue, sepatutnya dia tak ada line. Okay, tak ada line, so kita guna tangent edge display. You kena klik ni. Okay, nanti tengok tulis dalam notes. Tulis, make it notes, nanti kita tengok balik kat mana ni. Dimension drawing. The dimension used to create the part can be imported into the drawing. Dimension can be added manually using the smart dimension. Okay, nampak simbol ni. Associativity, changing the value of imported dimension will change the part. Okay, kalau you ubah, part akan berubah lah. You cannot change the value of manually insert dimension. Okay. Finish the drawing. Okay, ni contoh straightforward, simple. Okay, from arrangement contohnya you ada part like this. Okay, first view from top. Okay, from top top ni atas. Okay, kita nampak keseluruhan macam ni. Okay, so nanti mungkin technician tanya, view daripada depan macam mana? So from front view, okay, bila you put on the drawing, okay, dia akan tarik, you tarik, nanti you akan keluar ni. And then right side, sebelah kanan, and then isometric view. This is a standard view, cukup. Okay, and then give dimension. Okay, macam mana arrangement dimension 1, 2, ada radius this one. Okay, jangan tertinggal Okay, so kalau tertinggal macam mana you nak fabricate? Contoh. Nanti technician akan refer balik kamu. Okay, so buang masa. You waste time because of drawing, nanti proses fabrication tu akan stop. Refer balik designer, dimension tak ada lah. Position mana ni? Okay. Nanti you dekat kilang, nanti lagi. Kena be careful. Make sure dimension arrangement tu okay. Okay, bagi someone yang read, interpret drawing tu mudah. Okay. Okay, this one to setting. Okay. Drawing can contain more than one sheet. Okay, you boleh actually kalau part tu very complex, ada sebelah bawah sebelah bawah nanti ada sheet 1, sheet 2. Okay, you can continue. And then kalau nak print 3, maksudnya one part 3 page. Okay, the second drawing sheet contain the tutorial. Okay, this one is about size, and the isometric view is a model view. Okay. 3 view drawing assembly. Yang ni, this is about drawing assembly. Jadi single part, this is assembly. Okay, so ada assembly parts lah. Okay, like this arrangement dia macam ni. Okay, so title block. Okay, model view. A model view show the part assembly in specific orientation. Example of mod view are standard view, front, top, isometric view. Okay, kita akan cerita ini je, 3. Okay, nanti ada detail lah. User defined view orientation that were created in the parts or assembly. Okay, assembly pun sama. Standard. The current view in a part or assembly. Okay, ada satu lagi kelas current view. Okay, take note current view. Macam mana nak buat current view ni? Okay, current view. Okay, so tulis. To insert model view, how to insert? Do not click directly on one of the part in the assembly. Doing so will create a name view of the specific. Okay, nanti kita tengok. Inserting a model view. Ni macam mana nak masukkan part You dah have your drawing and you nak masuk. Okay, kat sini ada kelas tengok more view ni. Yang saya mention just now is about current view model. Ni apa current ni? Current which is your part punya view masa you go to drawing. Okay, dia akan ikut current view Nanti you try you can understand this one. Okay, this is standard like this. Specialized view, detail view used to show enlarge. Okay, so this is about detail view plus detail view. Apa tu detail view? Okay, you want to detail out some area, mungkin ada hole, a small hole. So macam mana nak buat? So kita draw some circle or square so dia akan nampak ni So detail view ada scale. You increase the scale. So this one let's say 1 to 1. Contohnya part ni 1 to 1 So you want to increase you make it 5/1. Okay, 5 times larger than standard based on 1/1 tadi. Sketch the circle, yang ni circle, position to the view, edit. Okay, nanti kita cuba this one. Okay, ini is a section view. This is also important. Okay, we always use this one Dalam industri pun cross potong nak tengok how the shape look like yang bahagian tengah ni. Oh, so saya dah faham. So maksudnya this one is a through hole. Okay, and then ada satu, this is some info kelas. Kita nampak ada hidden line dari square bawah ni. Kita tak sure lah bawah ke kat mana kan. After we make it cross section view, so we clear understand, oh so from this one, yang bottom side ni, so ada satu slot pocket. So berapa thickness? So we can give dimension at this view or this view. So normally kita bagi kat sini lah sebab because of we have a cut, cross cut kat sini. Okay. So fabricator or technician confidently so dia akan fabricate cut, potong bahagian ni. Contohnya we use the milling or CNC. Okay, kat sini. So kita dah confident part dia macam ni. Okay, next. Oh, okay, dah finish. Okay. So almost complete untuk drawing. Okay, class, any question? Can you dah try drawing? Ada any question tak tentang drawing? Okay, okay or not?
Masa drawing ni kan tadi saya cakap tak perlu bagi unnecessary drawing. So dalam drawing ni minimum kena ada berapa dimensions minimum?
Okay, dimension. Okay, actually dimension is based on the product shape. Okay, kena kalau part tu simple, part is simple part, of course dimension is less. Okay, kalau you tak boleh kata minimum, this is depend on the object atau part tu sendiri. Okay, nanti kita akan tengok few sample lah. Contoh kita do exercise, so nanti you akan faham. Okay, so yang biasa kita practice, of course lah, saya nak tahu, I want to know the maximum size, which is we call it a raw size. Size yang paling besar, maximum tu kena bagi XY direction and thickness. Okay, and tu of course, ada student yang selalu lupa, saya tolak markah. Okay, and then position, diameter, height of other shape, tu continue lah. Okay, right. Nanti kita akan try few exercise. Kita akan tengok. Okay, I stop sharing. Yeah, share another this one. Okay, kita pergi. I try to brief about the exercise. Okay, this one, and then share contents. Okay, this one. Okay, I share this one. Okay, can you see this one? Lab exercise. Boleh nampak tak? Okay tak kelas? Can you see?
Boleh sih.
Boleh Saya tak dengar suara Ke speaker saya ni?
Boleh.
Boleh. Ada kuat ada slow. Okay. Okay, actually ni saya bagi very basic sample ni. Okay. So at least you mesti try, cuba masuk and submit dalam folder. Okay, draw the object 3D, then produce engineering drawing. Okay, organize your drawing with the top, front, side isometric view. Complete with the title block. Okay, saya nak kamu, I want you make produce drawing based on this shape. Okay. Macam mana arrangement based on ni lah. Yang ni standard 1, 2, 3, 4 image, 4 view. And then title block, information. Okay, use the A3 size. Saya nak A3. You use A4, saya tolak markah. Okay, this I provide your template. Saya dah bagi, I share with you A3 template. Okay, class please take note. Template template name. Okay, format dia untuk nama dia apa? Tadi kita di RW dot kan? Okay, yang saya bagi tu lain. Okay. Title block info, part name, refer drawing. Drawn by your name, check by nama saya, okay, approved by nama saya. And then material, refer info, quantity, scale. Kita kena practice ni nampak simple. Okay, dalam industri, okay, penting information ni. Okay, number 1, part name locating ring, locating guide. Okay, material copper. Before this, saya dah tunjukkan how to set material. Quantity 7, mass. Okay. Ni pun saya rasa saya dah share step dia, how to know the weight, the gram ni. Berapa gram, berapa kilogram. Okay, so yang ni unit apa? Millimeter lah 30 besar milimeter. Okay, you need to draw. Okay, kalau let's say you want to start with what plane, okay, you can use plane apa dulu? Kalau ni nak start buat macam mana? From side ataupun okay, you can use the, okay, saya tunjuk cursor ni, okay, my mouse ni, okay, daripada atas kalau kamu nampak atas ni kita panggil top view. So you can use top plane, draw this maximum shape ni dulu as your base, as your datum, base. Okay, you can extrude and then draw another extrude square ni. So top from here, front from anak panah ni, front, and then side, right view, side view from here. Okay, this one is a rib stand, aluminium, okay, 1060. Okay, alloy. Okay, tengok balik dalam library, SolidWorks library. Patutnya ada quantity 3, how about the mass. Okay, saya nak tahu dia punya berat berapa. Okay, so this is ni senang untuk sampel yang saya bagi 3D with the dimension. In industry, dia tak dapat ni. Okay. Kita industri, kita akan bagi 2D view. 2D tadi, top, front, and side view with dimension. Okay. And then isometric view, tak ada dimension. No dimension. Untuk ni senang. Okay, kita practice dulu. Okay. So you nampak macam ni arrangement susun. Okay. Every exercise, please self-study macam mana dimension tu diberi. Saya tak nak bila you bagi dimension tak follow, you tak guna knowledge yang ada dalam exercise. Okay, then okay, this one is special. Ni drawing from industry Okay, case ni ini is sample from industry, macam mana arrangement. Selalunya simple kan, tapi bila tengok ni, wah, okay. Actually ada lagi yang kompleks. Kita tengok yang ni, sample ni. Okay. This is apa nama ni? Part ni. Okay. Part name dia spindle hub ni. Okay, so mostly cylinder shape. Okay, ada hollow. Okay, and then ada repeated hole ni. Kita boleh guna apa? Ingat tak kelas? Guna apa ni? Kalau nak buat ni kita guna apa? Ni.
Circular pattern.
Good. Circular pattern. Just draw one. Okay, maybe you boleh guna, kita panggil apa? Special wizard hole hole wizard. Okay, you draw this information. Ada counter bore ni, the step ni. Okay, kita refresh balik. Ada depth ni 0.25. This one, ini inches Okay, be careful class. Untuk this one, exercise, you need apa? Okay. So, macam mana arrangement of dimension? For this case, datum from here class. 0 sini. Lepas tu tambah. Okay, macam mana nak buat ni? Okay, dimension from, okay, sample from industry. And then we have this one, ada tolerant pula. Okay, I want you draw this part. Okay, and then produce drawing. Okay, try the best follow like this. Okay, sebelum ni okay, potong cross section view, cuba buat. Okay, so at least you dah belajar few step. And then title block, actually you change this template from this to template that I share in Ulearn. Okay, nanti masukkan maklumat tu based on this info. Okay, ada section AA, cross potong AA ni. Okay, so yang ni kena be careful ni. Okay, fahamkan drawing ni. Boleh tak? Okay, itu saja. Boleh tak kelas? Ada soalan? Sedang kan ni? Ni okey lah, straightforward. Ada soalan tak ni? Untuk question. Boleh?
Quantity tu information dalam drawing
Macam mana? Boleh?
Quantity tu information dalam drawing ke?
TT? Apa TT? Saya tak dengar, sorry.
Quantity.
Okay, saya. Quantity nanti template yang saya share tu. Okay, so kat situ ada column table untuk quantity, you just masukkan quantity. Okay. Okay, ni ada quantity tak? Ni tak ada Okay. Ni tak ada, drawing ni tak ada quantity Okay, so you based from my information ni. Okay. Boleh Rasa boleh kan? Okay, try dulu. Okay, okay, I just want to stop sharing. I want to show some step ni, kita refresh balik, boleh work. Okay, cuba tengok boleh tak? Show share content, boleh work. Okay. 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 Yep. Class, can you see my ni? SolidWorks interface ni? Nampak tak? Boleh? Okay. Okay, I just want to show yes, I draw simple part. Okay. File, new, parts. Okay. 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 I tried start to sketch. Click sketch. Of course, dia akan keluar plane ni. Let's say I want to use top plane. Plane Okay. Click here. Okay. So, okay. Always escape. Saya escape. I click here again. Center line just for my reference. Okay, I click here and drag to here. Escape again. Okay, black color because of, kan ingat tak last week? Coincident already with the datum. Kalau tak kena tu biru. Okay. Untuk question number 3 tadi, kan, yang cylinder tu, there are few ways atau methods you boleh produce that part. Okay. You boleh draw, extrude, kan? And then you cut, extrude pun boleh. Okay. Kalau untuk cylinder, hopefully dah boleh imagine Okay, cara lain tu macam mana? Cara lagi cepat. Jadi dia macam ni ke? Okay. Okay. Betul lah Ada satu slot. Betul je. Okay, draw. Oh, sorry. This is a okay, sepatutnya apa? Not a center line. I use this one, this solid line. Sepatutnya solid line. Okay. Betul. Okay, zoom in. Zoom escape balik. Escape button. Okay, sebab biru I boleh drag. Point. Okay. Okay, let's say kalau ni saya dah lukis, kita boleh klik control. Ni saya tunjuk show you. I click control, I select all. Saya nak tukar dia jadi apa? Solid line. Control. Okay, you can see yang ni saya selected entities. And then boleh tak ni? Ni, you can see this one. Left side bawah ni ada option ni unclick, untick. Okay. So dia akan jadi solid line. Okay, tertinggal. Click here. And then kalau tak you cannot revolve Click here. For construction. Click okay. Okay. So ini just reference line ni just reference. Kita tengok apa jadi. Then okay, should be practice make it is black color kan. So yang ni saya just draw sketch without any relation or not make it fully defined. So biru kan. Okay, you must give a dimension. And then we go to features, revolve cut. Okay, so dia akan like this. Macam ni. So okay, click okay kat sini. Okay, like this. Contoh dia macam ni. Okay, I use the space bar. Okay, space bar button. Saya klik last. Dua ni. Always saya practice macam ni. Okay. So dia akan view like this. Okay, tadi in slide, okay, ada mention about current view class. Kalau let's say you want view for isometric, contohnya isometric view is a standard. Tapi let's say you want to a bit some view from like this ke contoh kan. Okay. So you can just maintain like this. And then when you go to the template drawing template, you can select current view. So on the drawing template tu, the graphic view like this. Dia akan jadi macam ni. Current view. Okay, because of you setting, just you maintain like this, view like this. Dia akan jadi macam ni kalau kita guna current view tadi. Yang tu guna kelas. Kena tahu Okay. Okay, spacebar, this one. Okay, save first, file, save as, contohnya desktop. Okay, untuk saya save kat sini. Okay, testing number 2. Enter. Here I just save. And then when you want to make a drawing, produce drawing, go to where? File, and make a drawing. Actually, you have a part, you make drawing for that part. Click part, make drawing, draw, and then OK. Okay, this is a standard template. Okay, just now I mentioned about SolidWorks standard template like this. Okay, sometimes ada setting kat sini size dia besar. Okay, this is a link with the name. Dia akan baca testing dua drawing. Okay, you can adjust and edit. Okay, I just put first untuk yang ni view ni. Okay, you kena make sure plain selection dia akan reflect to ni view ni. Okay, nampak ada lain kan? Okay, I want to make a top view. Top view is contohnya view yang ini. Tak ada kan? Okay, top view Okay, yang kecil. Okay, let's say lah ni. Ni actually dah ada a bit confused because of left nama dia. Okay, oops. Mana ni drawing? Okay, di sana kelas sebelah kanan ni. Ni. Okay, click and drag. Boleh tak? Okay, boleh. Okay, click. And then tarik. Keluar. Okay. You don't escape. Just continue. Click and then okay, you drag here. Okay, this is a view of symmetry. Okay, ataupun sini. Okay, dia boleh baca from here. Okay, click and then ini contoh lah. Okay. Okay, when you want to cut, okay, kita nak potong ni macam mana? Okay, cache line. Okay, I draw this one. Cross line. Escape. Okay, I can escape. And then I click again that line, and then you go to this one. Notation. Okay, this one session view. Okay, so you dapat macam request based on exercise 3 tu. Contoh macam ni class, you need to edit a bit lah. Okay, size dia besar double click, tukar ni. Okay. Yang ini actually manual lah, one by one. Kalau you dah have your own template setting, dia akan continue sama Okay, so I want to show you how to give the dimension, drawing dimension drawing okay. Model view. Okay, smart dimension, this is normal. Kalau let's say you want to give a smart dimension, Ni kan, klik. Okay. Okay, I just mentioned before this, you can edit size. Okay, this one size. Skip. Okay, dimension for this one. We call it as a horizontal ordinate dimension. Click here. Let's say this is your datum contohnya kat sini datum. Click first, tarik, and then continue. Click to another edge. Dia can keluar so they can continue baca from datum. Okay, this is a click dekat line dekat line. Okay, when you escape, okay dia tak boleh continue Kalau kata you tertinggal, let's say you forgot to select maybe others line ke, okay, you can click at any or this one, right click here, you can use add to ordinate, so you boleh tambah lagi lah, tak perlu you buat balik semua, you padam delete, you buat balik semua. Okay, you can just use right click here and then you click the add to ordinate. Okay, right click here, add to ordinate. Okay, so they can continue. This one is another image you can select. Contohnya tertinggal ni, you click. Boleh tak? Saya delete, try delete. Okay, boleh. So let's say tertinggal. Okay, right click here, add to ordinate, and then click. Okay, so you boleh just continue let's say you. Kalau terlupa lah. Okay, nanti you try how to have this one, top view. Okay, break view. Boleh try nanti explore. Okay, just to highlight, and then detail view. Say click detail view. I want to show some view right here. Okay, this is a circle lah. So you buat circle. Okay, tarik and then here. When you click here, you have option. Okay, ni besar kan? Adjust sikit saja. Okay, or you can use this one. Broken. Okay. Connected. Okay, connected. Tunjuk ni pun boleh. Escape. Kalau you nak adjust. Okay. Okay, sini center you boleh move. Okay. So in your title block, okay, scale is based on main scale yang besar ni, bukan this one this one is a detail. Okay, yang ni size yang 1:1. Make sure you must put your scale kat sini. Okay. Okay, kelas yang ni sebenarnya this is about setting. Dia ada keluar biru ni kan. Ini sebenarnya kita boleh hide Nanti when you try, maybe there are some few things that you can learn. Okay, kena base pada yang saya cakap tadi sebelum ni. Sini boleh tak? Dekat sini ada option kan sebelum ni. Yang gambar gear tu. Okay, you can click, you can setting. Okay. Okay, when you want to change this one, okay, plus tengok ni. Right click on your graphic area ni. Okay, let's say you want to edit sheet format. Okay, so activate kat sini. Buat ni kelas. Sekejap tengok. Okay, sebelah kanan saya ni cursor. So, don't panic kalau kata my parts, okay, hilang terus. Okay, sebenarnya activate on this one, biru ni kan. Okay, so you can zoom. Let's say you want to change the name. Yang ni manual lah. Okay, boleh tak? Okay, tukar. Okay, you boleh tukar Contoh. Okay, to make it center. Okay, ni drag manual lah. Okay. Okay, yang ini double click, size too big. So, ni 11. Okay, tak ada suara lah. Okay. Okay, so some info here. Contoh right click again ataupun you go to here and click. So activate balik untuk ni. Okay. So when you have another template, macam mana nak buat kan? Right click here and then you download from ulearn. I share the template. Okay, you can use what? You can click this one, properties. Click properties. Okay, so this is standard Sebelum ni saya cakap pasal size A1, A2, A3, A4, AO. Okay, the question request A3 size. Okay, soalan tadi. Okay, one more thing class, yang ni penting type of projection. Okay, kalau kata kita guna third angle, so ada some company request first angle. Yang ni pun tolong take notes, dapatkan some extra info from internet. At least you tahu dulu. Okay, yang ni first angle, third angle ni apa sebenarnya. Okay, please tulis. Okay, browse and then you select. You nampak, dia baca SLD DRT class, bukan DRW dot Yang dalam slide tu lain. Okay, itu pun ada type of template tu. Okay, tapi ni dia akan baca automatically di SLD DRT. Okay, you have contohnya tadi saya dah download dalam. Okay, so ni this is the template. So click A3 size, open. So contohnya this is your company template, the request. So apply changes, yes. Okay, so make sure your drawing must use with the correct scale. Saya tak nak awak buat A3 size besar. Kalau part tu kecil, so you kena adjust lah, size tu kena besar. Okay, untuk this case, saya click here, left side we have some, you can change about the class. Okay. Okay, kita nak besarkan lagi. 21, cuba. Besar sangat. Okay, 11. Just nice, okay. So, based on the ni, arrange back. Okay. Penting drawing, saya tengok sekali je saya dah tahu macam mana arrangement, macam mana you buat drawing. Okay. Macam tadi ni. Okay, font ni kecil sangat kan. So kena sesuaikan with your scale and then your template drawing size ni. Kena sesuaikan So sekali tengok senang lah. Okay, size besar, arrangement. Okay, jangan ada overlap, saya tak nak. Okay. So macam case this, class, okay, kalau center line saya cakap sebelum ni, ingat tak? We can use, ada tak? Center line, notation So, center line, okay. Saya ada button Webex ni, tak boleh select. Sketch ke? Okay, this one, center line. Okay, click here. Say you want to have a center line. Click here and click here. Okay, dia akan keluar center line. Okay, click and then you just drag. Okay, center line. Okay, contoh samalah untuk ni center line. Ini circle, cylinder types ni you bagi center line. Okay. So let's say I want to edit this title block, right click here and then edit macam tadi edit sheet mode. Okay, sama juga. So deactivate ni walaupun tak ada blue color tapi you nampak you can edit contohnya. My name sini. Contohnya. Okay, click. Okay. So this is a very simple and straightforward info ni kena practice. Nanti dekat industri lagi kompleks. At least you dah tahu step and standard. Okay. Okay class. Boleh saya dah almost share step tu. Okay. So you try and practice how to produce a drawing. Okay, boleh? Ada soalan kelas? Boleh?
Boleh sir, boleh.
Alright, okay. So actually, you dah practice ni dah masuk minggu 4 weeks dah. Week 4, week 5 drawing. So you dah ada knowledge tu. Kalau you follow my request about the exercise tu, dah banyak dah pun. Okay, assembly. Okay, memang kena ada effort kat sini. Okay, tak tahu tanya dalam kawan, tanya dengan kawan, okay, share info, tengok YouTube. Okay, memang kena practice Okay, hopefully you can follow our schedule. Okay, ada soalan ke? Okay kan? Okay, kalau tak ada apa-apa, untuk
Sir?
yes.
Untuk approve lukisan tu, yang projek.
Okay, untuk proposal, okay, by Tuesday nanti I akan list down yang nak finalize yang okay dengan yang reject nanti. Nanti saya akan share. Okay, so untuk this week, you fokus untuk exercise. Okay, hari Khamis, hopefully kita boleh face to face. Kan? Boleh kan? Hari Khamis. Ada info tak daripada hostel?
Boleh ke sir?
Boleh kan? Sepatutnya semalam hari Jumaat ni last saya dengar.
Oh, 6 ni. Yes.
Okay, boleh tak ada apa-apa. So cuma before this, I mention dekat Anas, few student kena bawa at least 5 orang tu ada laptop Kalau let's say PC dekat lab problem, so 5 student nanti boleh bawa laptop tak perlu semua bawa.
Okay sir.
Sebab lab tu okay je dia punya PC.
Okay, 3 minit.
Okay, alright. Okay, kalau tak ada apa, okay, thank you apa-apa nanti saya update dalam group. Okay, right. Thank you.